Hi, I'm Cymye, and today we will check the Infinix Note 12. It will be in promotion activity from day 13th until 17th. I'm not sure, but I will put everything in the description. So if you are interested in this model, don't forget to check it. And before we start the video, I'm not sure if you checked my last video, but I will give away 3 Mi Band 7 global version. If you want to know more detail about it, please also check the link in the description. So let's go. And this is our Infinix Note 12. As I mentioned to you guys before, I didn't receive the box and the accessories, but you will receive the usual. The Type-C cable, the 33 watts fast charging, manual, case and everything else. So let's jump to all the details. As you can see, Infinix Note 12 is really thin. It only has 7.8 thickness. It has an ultra sleek design and it will be very easy for you to carry around. It's also very light, the weight is only 186.1 grams. On the right side we have the power button with the fingerprint scanner, then the volume button. On the top we don't have anything. Left side the dual SIM card tray, and yes, you can use one SD card. On the bottom there is the jack 3.5mm for earphones, then microphone, Type-C port and our speaker. This phone has a stereo sound. The back has a matte finish, so even if you touch it will not have any fingerprint on it, except in this part. This part has some glossy part and it will become a little dirty, especially here near the cameras. I don't know if you can see. And here for the main camera we have a 50 megapixels, then a 2 megapixels for depth and a QVGR sensor. Please leave in the comment what do you think about the Infinix Note 12 design. Let's test the fingerprint scanner. One more time. Oops. Face scan. Alright, and here we have a 6.7 inches AMOLED Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. On the top center you can count with a 16 megapixel self camera, and for specs it comes with XOS V10.6, also Android 12, MediaTek G96 that receives the 8GB RAM, 256GB memory, and for the battery capacity you can count with a 5000 mAh. I didn't show the charger because I don't have it in my hands, but it will come with a 33 fast charging. And for those who is wondering about NFC, we cannot use NFC with this phone. The screen quality is really good. As you can see, it has a lot of brightness, also a lot of colors, but when I opened first time this video, I just thought, oh my god, this screen is just too dark. And it was my mistake. You need to check the auto brightness because sometimes it will low down the brightness too much. For the sound quality, let me turn up the volume. The sound is loud enough and it's better than I expected. For performance we got 300,037 points. For camera options we have short video, then video. In video you can record in maximum 2K, then AI cam, beauty, portrait, super night. I will take some photos and video and I come back soon with you guys. Now we are testing the selfie camera and it's tracking my eyes. Yeah, it seems it is focused on my eyes. Let me turn so we can check how it reacts to the lights. And then let's walk a little. Stabilization. Let's try the rear camera. Wait a minute. They have this very interesting construction. Sometimes have some exposition here. Focus. Ah, it's trying to focus on the kid's face, so that's why it's not focusing my hand. Let's try the zoom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
Temos a Cymye, blogueira e youtuber gravando.
Let's walk so we can test the stabilization. Now we are testing the selfie camera. As you can see, it's already night, so the illumination is not good as the sunlight. But we can try to test the details, the stabilization, and it's not bad, right? I know I'm in some kind of place with a lot of lights, but I think it should be even worse. But I think it's still okay. Now let's try the rear camera, but as you can see, it's already night, really dark. So please don't forget about this detail, because maybe the image quality is not so good as should be. Let's try the focus. A little slow, right? But it can focus. Okay. Let's try to zoom in. Oops. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 max. And now let's walk a little. Walk a lot. No, please, not walk a lot. I'm already tired. Today is too hot. Some food there. I'm not sure, but the stabilization seems a little shaky, right? What do you think about Infinix Note 12? Please leave in the comments if you like the specs are good, if you like the design, or if you think there is something they should improve in the next generation. Please don't forget to leave your opinion. And if you like my content, consider to subscribe. I see you in the next video. Bye bye!